Here's a snapshot of today's global financial news. 1. China's stock market rally. China's CSI 300 index has surged 14.3% year-to-date, outpacing US, European, and Japanese markets. The rally has been driven by increased margin trading, up 19% in 2 months, policy support from state-backed funds and insurers, and easing trade tensions, despite concerns over weak earnings and lingering deflation. 2. US companies gear up for record acquisitions. US corporations are preparing a wave of M&A activity, increasing leverage to fund what could become a $1 trillion worth of deals, a significant uptick after years of deleveraging. 3. Private credit boom. Affluent American investors have poured a record $48 billion into private credit funds in the first half of 2025, eclipsing the total for all of 2023. Assets in these funds, especially evergreen vehicles, are climbing fast, particularly under managers like Blackstone, Apollo, Blue Owl, and others. 4. India's GST cuts spark mixed market reaction. The Indian government's proposed cuts in GST are viewed as a potential boon for consumer spending and equities. However, bond and currency markets are expressing concerns, warning of fiscal strain and external balance pressures. 5. Fed independence under fire. Top executives from major U.S. banks, J.P. Morgan, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and others, are publicly defending the Federal Reserve's independence amid intensifying political pressure and recent actions targeting key individuals at the Fed. ECB policymaker Olli Rehn warns that undermining Fed autonomy could threaten global financial stability, urging stronger credibility for the euro in response. 6. China advances financial innovation. Two linked developments reflect China's strategic push in finance. Launch of yuan-backed stablecoins designed to challenge the US dollar in global energy trade and cross-border payments. Broader recognition of stablecoins as a growing force in regulated global finance and cross-border payments. Other notable headlines. Northern International Equity Fund outperformed its benchmark in Q2 2025, underscoring positive global economic momentum. Banks in Nigeria reduced borrowing from the Central Bank of Nigeria by 28%, reflecting rising liquidity in the sector. London strengthens fintech ties as the London Stock Exchange and Grow London partner to host the London FinTech Summit, fostering international financial collaboration. BRICS solidarity and reach, with Russia's President Putin emphasizing BRICS as a counterweight to Western sanctions. Thank you so much for watching.